Right, so we move on to part B. It says to calculate the distance PQ. So what we can do is to create a point called T. Let's say T for tower, but you can use any letter. You can use W, you can use X. But let's call that T for tower. So we have to calculate PQ. So what you can do is to calculate QT and then TP. So let's just put there calculating QT. Calculating QT. So let's make some observations. So we want to find QT, so let's talk about QT. When you're observing, always, first and foremost, always talk about what you want to find. So QT now is opposite to 15. So QT is away from 15. QT is opposite to 15 degrees. So we mentioned it with opposite, so most likely it might be tan again. We just have to see which adjacent we're going to mention. Oh, by the way, the pole is 60 meters, so might have lost a mark there. We have to put the 60 there. So now the diagram complete. I forgot to put the 60 degrees, 60 meters. So 60 is adjacent to 15. 60 is next to 15. Tan again. Yeah. So it appears we're going to use tan again. So back to tan. And we are going to find the length, so we have to cross multiply. So better copy the other one up there. So therefore now, tan of 15. So we all understand is tan opposite and adjacent. The angle is 15, tan of 15 over 1. Opposite with the opposite. QT, that's the opposite. Over the adjacent, which is 60. And we cross multiply. QT times 1 is QT. And we're talking about 60 times tan of 15. What is 60 times tan of 15? You working it out? Yeah. $16.1. They did not tell us how many decimal places. Just calculate the distance. So you can set for 16.1. All right. So we have found what is QT. What we're missing to find now is PT. So we're going to do the same process, calculating PT. Let's copy this. The appears to going to look like tan again. PT is opposite to 24 degrees. PT is away from 24. The 60 meters is adjacent to 24. So 60 is next to 24. Tan again. So tan of 24 is equal to PT over 60. PT times 1 is PT. 60 times tan of 24 is how much? So you're going to say 26.7. Now the reason why we're calculating PT that day, that's QT and that's PT. So the reason why we're calculating QT and PT, because what we want is QP. So therefore, we know that QP is equal to QT plus PT. So that's equal to 16.1 plus 26.7. And that's how much? How much? 42.8 meters. So the distance Q from P is 42.8 meters. And that will take care of that question. So I'm going to send you the other video and I'm going to send you a PDF of